Oh, the camera truck in North Platte, everyone. Truck on the Interstate 80. Eastbound and westbound truck. And we got another truck. Tri-link truck. The whole truck coming up right here. There's one. And there's two. I see it. The other truck heading this way. The truck. Turn through the express. Got a pop truck right here. There's an Amazon truck right here. Got a whole truck over up right here. Landstar and a freight truck right here. And EPR. Got a truck over up right here too. Got a monkey coming up right here too on the eastbound side. Got a whole truck over this way. One. There's a CR England and a bus truck. A box car truck this way. Crack on it. UPS truck this way. The truck racing is going. Alright, 2001 Interstate 80 goes. Interstate 80 get a lot of truck traffic. Mocktails. Box cars. Got a whole truck way out right here too. Got a camping car truck here this way. Yeah, it's west down there. Got a lot of trucks over there right here too. Devil. Got another general truck here this way. Got a truck here this way. Over there. We got a bag of security here. Yeah, got a double here this way. Truck right there. A lot of trucks. Got a lot of trucks in there. There's a truck coming up right here. There's a truck coming up right here. Culture. We got a couple of trucks. Got a truck right here, wrong trucking in. And you got a truck over here. Yeah, Interstate 80 is a lot busier with trucks. Cruiser, air transport, and half truck. Trucks keep coming by. Doctor. Well, we got a race coming out. We'll probably want to try to catch up a little bit right here too. one. Yeah, yeah, that was truck. Got a bunch of eastbound. This fire would be westbound. That's a nice truck trailer there. And some more trucks here. Yeah, there's one Enterprise over here too. So yeah, a truck coming up right here. Eastbound and westbound. Yeah, I'm back here for a truck video more. Amazon truck return. Sorry, double return. Open in double. Truck. Double truck right here. More. Yes, sir. Lots of trucks here, Got a truck heading this way. I think westbound too. Sports, Platte. There's one racing this there. Alright, car, Walmart. Yeah, truck. Rock Express. Got a truck coming this way. Down the car. Boy, he on off ramp on Interstate 80. Several trucks. Yosin trucking. And we got several trucks on the eastbound side. One is a private truck. Just made. Looks like they're all racing together. There we got several trucks right here on the eastbound side. Several trucks are right here. Two eastbound and westbound. One's racing right there. There's two trucks heading this way. A Landstar truck here and down the car. Oh yeah, several eastbound too. Oh that baby fur. What truck today? Yeah, jackpot on Interstate 80. Everyone. Lots of truck. Several trucks on eastbound. Lots of trucks today. Got a FedEx truck coming this way. And there's a climbing truck right here. Truck on the eastbound lane too. Got a truck heading this way. Yay! Got several trucks coming around here too. Yeah, this is a jackpot semi truck area. Interstate 80, everyone. Got a few trucks here like you. That's a little evil on that one. Got a truck headed this way. And a Mercer. This truck. A few got Yaki right here. And you got several trucks right here too. Got a whole truck headed this way. A 3 truck. And you got a truck over here. Got a whole truck headed this way. There's me car. I got a truck right there. Got several trucks headed this way. A and B. And a lot of trucks right here too. You all on the on-ramp with I-80. And yeah, you got a truck here this way. Got another truck right here. And one more truck over here too. Oh yeah, several trucks right here. Truck right here too. Oh, Uncle Sam, everyone, I want you. Join the Navy. Got a whole flat car truck right here too. I see a FedEx double. I'm gonna go inside here and see if it's gonna get hot.